Under 10's Bugs and Birds quiz. Greetings, smart thinkers. I'm Ocko Owl, your wise guide for today's Bugs and Birds quiz. With my big bright eyes and a head full of facts, I'll help you explore all sorts of amazing things about our world. There are 10 questions. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready to put your brain power to the test and discover something new? Let's go. Which insect is known for its buzzing sound and making honey? A. Butterfly. B. Ant. C. Bee. D. Wasp. C. Bee. Which bug is well known for its red shell with black spots? A. Ladybird. B. Dragonfly. C. Beetle. D. Wasp. A. Ladybird. Which insect starts its life as a caterpillar before turning into a flying adult? A. Ant. B. Butterfly. C. Grasshopper. D. Bee. B. Butterfly. Which bug is known for making a loud chirping sound by rubbing its hind legs on their wings? A. Butterfly. B. Grasshopper. C. Bee. D. Ladybird. B. Grasshopper. Which insect has long, thin wings and is an expert at flying backwards and hovering over water? A. Dragonfly. B. Ant. C. Beetle. D. Ladybird. A. Dragonfly. Which bird wakes people up with its early morning song? A. Penguin. B. Robin. C. Owl. D. Rooster. D. Rooster. Which bird is known for being wise and often appears in stories as a clever character? A. Robin. B. Owl. C. Pigeon. D. Duck. B. Owl. Which bird is famous for its bright pink feathers and standing on one leg? A. Flamingo. B. Sparrow. C. Penguin. D. Ostrich. A. Flamingo. Which bird cannot fly, even though it has wings? A. Sparrow. B. Owl. C. Penguin. D. Eagle. C. Penguin. Which bird is known for pecking at trees to find insects? A. Swan. B. Woodpecker. C. Eagle. D. Duck. B. Woodpecker. Bonus fact. Did you know hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? And the Goliath beetle is one of the heaviest insects in the world. Incredible! Fantastic work, nature detectives! You've finished the Bugs and Birds quiz and shown just how much you know about our amazing animal neighbours. Give yourself a big round of applause, or a happy hoot. As your wise owl guide, I'm so proud of how curious you are about the wild world around us. If you enjoyed this quiz, let us know. What was your favourite question? Or which animal would you like to discover more about next? Thanks for playing along, and get ready for more awesome quizzes coming soon. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, nature is full of surprises.